Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So today we are going to continue our story about Ollama artificial intelligence, and today we are going to talk about model files. And model files are nothing but the way for you to tweak some model a little bit. For example, let's say that you found some model that is particularly good for your purpose, but you want to change something in its behavior. So how to do so? Model files are a really easy and fast way to achieve that. For example, what I want to show you, I'm going to run Ollama list to show you what I have on my machine. I have Gemma 3 1B and I'm going to run this model, Gemma 3 1B. I have to run it. Alright, and now I'm going to ask something. What is my name? As you can see, this artificial intelligence have no clue what my name actually is. So I'm going to exit, going to clear this, and I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. In here I have a model file in the same directory as with this terminal. So first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to define base for my new model. So with command from in model file, I'm going to say that base is Gemma 3 1B. All right. Now, there are two elements of model files that we are not going to use now. One is adapter, and in here you're going to provide path to adapter. So this is not important for this episode. I'm going to explain this element in some of upcoming episodes. And one more, and that is template. It's multi-line. Template is actually a better way to describe communication between user and the assistant. And template is actually inherit from this Gemma 3 1B, so we are not going to need it. I'm going to comment this line too. But now what we are going to need? We are going to need parameters. And I'm going to set temperature, and I'm going to set this value to 1,5. So what about this temperature? Let me show you. Open your browser and go to model file references. In here you are going to find a list of all possible parameters. You should play around with those, but don't exaggerate. For example, parameter temperature. It's with increasing temperature, your model is going to answer more creatively. Default it's 0,8. For example, I set value to 1,5. If you set value to some crazy number like 23, 30, 40, your model is going to talk nonsense all the time. So don't exaggerate. I'm usually using this temperature, top K, and one more. Let me find it. Repeat penalty. This is one of my favorite. For example, if you raise this value, your artificial intelligence, meaning your model, is going to be more restrictive towards repetitions. So this is a nice tweak to use. So I set temperature to 1,5. Now parameter repeat penalty set also to 1,5, and parameter top, not 5, top K to 80. Default it's 40, I believe. Now, I forgot to tell you, aside of adapter and template, there is one more element that we are not going to use, and that is important for you to know, and that is license. This is also multi-line command. So what is with license? For example, if you want to publish your model and you want some license text, you are going to put that text in here. I'm going to comment this too, and now we are going to add something important. For example, message. If you want for your model to remember some conversation in order to draw examples from it, you are going to write it in here. For example, if I as user, so you are going to use command message, then role, and then actual message. I'm going to say hi. If I say hi, my artificial intelligence or assistant is going to say hey boss, not hi, hey boss. Then message, how are you? Message, assistant, nice, thanks. And in here I have to add user. So message, role, and actual textual message. All right, and now the most important part, and that is system. This is multi-line command, and in here you are going to write in human readable form everything that you want to teach your artificial intelligence. For example, my name is the boss. Your name is Jimmy. I have a wife and a daughter. I love beer. I am 43 years old. You are 0,5 old. You love bunnies. Okay, save this. Now, don't forget to open your terminal in the same directory as model file. Now, in order to create this model, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Ollama, create assistant, from file, model file, and success. Now, if I type Ollama list, you're going to see that I have this assistant. Okay, so I'm going to run assistant, and you see that we already have this history written. So what I want to do now, I want to ask, how old am I? No. Yeah, that's better. All right. Great. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.